everyone, this is Ashley Jamerson coming to you from Ashley Lambert Realty, and today I'm starting a new series that is geared towards my future homebuyer clients, and I'm going to help you answer the very first question that you have. Now, I know my first question is, have you been approved? But many buyers really don't want to get approved until they have an idea of what type of home they can afford for what they're currently paying in rent, because technically that's what you feel comfortable with right now. So today I'm going to tackle $1,200. If you are currently spending $1,200 in Charlotte, North Carolina for rent, or if you're paying $1,200 or more elsewhere and you're considering relocating to the area, what kind of home can you afford? Where can you live? And what will your payments look like? So hopefully I can answer those three questions in this video, so definitely stay tuned. So now I'm going to start showing you some homes that you can afford here in Charlotte if you are currently paying $1,200 a month. And again, that's if you are currently paying $1,200 a month in rent here in Charlotte, or you're considering relocating to Charlotte. If you are renting at $1,200, you can afford a $210,000 house. Now that may come as a shock to you, but these homes are absolutely beautiful. They are great first-time homes, great investment properties. So you live here for a few years and then you can possibly move on to a bigger home, or in your eyes, a better home, and you can use this as a great investment rental property and more than likely rent it out for more than the $1,200 mortgage that you are paying. So if you decide to go the FHA route, then you can expect to be paying $1,270 a month. Now this is more than the $1,200 a month. However, that is including mortgage insurance, which you would more than likely have if you did an FHA loan. Now the FHA loan that I am quoting is with a 4% interest rate. This includes interest, taxes, and insurance, as well as the principal. So we call that PITI, or P-I-T-I. And then if you have your mortgage insurance at the end, it's PITIME. So definitely keep that in mind. But a $1,270 mortgage is really good. That is a good interest rate. If you do go out and you get a loan that is slightly higher, you can definitely use some money to buy down the interest rate to 4%, and that would get you at the $1,270 a month. I also included HOA because a lot of these homes will have an HOA. So if your neighborhood does not have an FHA, that would be about $60 a month saved and would get you at $1,210. If you decide to use a conventional loan, again, that is 4% interest and 3% down, then you can definitely get a payment that is below $1,200. And the payment for a conventional loan is looking more like $1,190. That is without mortgage insurance. So there's many conventional products out there. There's 1%, there's 0% down, 3%, and 5%. In this example, I use 3% because it's closer to the 3.5 that is required for an FHA loan. And I really wanted to compare apples to oranges in this situation so you can get a really good way to compare the two products. Again, I put in HOA, your homeowners association fee of $60 a month. If you found a home that does not have an FHA, then your payment would be $1,130. So you can definitely afford a $210,000 home here in Charlotte if you are currently paying $1,200 a month in rent. I think this is very important information to know when it comes to affordability, because a lot of times people don't know what they can afford, so they get stuck in the cycle of renting. Now, there is one big disclaimer that I do want to put out there, and that is currently here in Charlotte, the median sales price of homes is $267,250, and this is from the Charlotte region, June 2019. Housing market overview, and $210,000 is a lot less than $267,000, and so this means that homes that are priced at $210,000 will be very hot on the market, meaning they will not last long. They will have a lot of interest, especially if they are move-in ready. And obviously this is a great price. It's very affordable, and we have a little bit of a housing affordability crisis going on. So if you are approved for $210,000 and you're purchasing in Charlotte, it is very, very important for you to move very quickly on homes. So you definitely want to spend that time to get pre-qualified or pre-approved, which is better, and to be absolutely ready to pull the trigger on a home if that home meets all of your needs. So if you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be doing more of these videos for like rents of $1,500, $2,000, and so on, just to help you guys get an idea and get over that initial hump of what can I afford, and so you have a visual of what is out there currently in Charlotte. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys soon.